The Japanese particle de can also indicate the cause or reason of an action or event. おじいちゃんはギャンブルで全財産を失った。おじいちゃんはギャンブルで全財産を失った。Grandpa lost all his money due to gambling. In this sentence, de follows the noun ギャンブル gambling. Therefore, gambling is the reason why Grandpa lost his entire fortune. おばあちゃんは事故で首を折った。おばあちゃんは事故で首を折った。Grandma broke her neck in an accident. In this sentence, de follows the noun 事故 accident, so the accident is the cause of Grandma's injury. You can also use the following phrases to state reasons and causes more explicitly. 何々のせいで carries a negative connotation, while 何々のおかげで carries a positive connotation. Another phrase, 何々が原因で is also primarily negative. お前のせいでおじいちゃんがカエルになったんだぞ。お前のせいでおじいちゃんがカエルになったんだぞ。It's because of you that Grandpa turned into a frog. As the phrase 何々のせいで carries a negative connotation, the speaker is blaming お前 you for Grandpa's transformation. パチンコのおかげでおばあちゃんは退屈しなかった。パチンコのおかげでおばあちゃんは退屈しなかった。Thanks to pachinko slot machines, Grandma didn't get bored. The phrase 何々のおかげで expresses the cause of a positive outcome. In this context, the speaker is thankful that the pachinko machines kept Grandma entertained because who knows what she would have done otherwise. 突風が原因でおじいちゃんのカツラが吹っ飛んだ。突風が原因でおじいちゃんのカツラが吹っ飛んだ。Grandpa's toupee got blown off because of a gust. The phrase 何々が原因で tells us that 突風 a gust is the cause of this mortifying incident. This is the end of this episode. See you next time.